Hey guys, what's up? Channel, I'm back here again, and it's been some time. I haven't made a new video, so today I thought of making a new video. So this video is going to be about the FOTO PRO. One of our Chinese friends, they've sent us this device, and it's been very popular. So what it is, let's go ahead and unbox it. So guys, that's the unboxing done. What do we have here? That's just a box. I really wanted a JOBY GorillaPod, and just want to tell you that this is the FOTO PRO and this is the alternative for the JOBY GorillaPod. Alright guys, first of all, the feeling. The feeling is that it really feels that it's made up of really good quality materials. So it's not one of those, it really looks authentic. The rubberized legs are very sticky. The rest of it is hard plastic, and it's got this screw over here where you can tighten the swivel of the camera. So I'm guessing that this GorillaPod competitor, you know, it's a perfect thing for your vlogging, and if you have a DSLR, I think that this product will be brilliant. It'll soon catch up in the market, because the thing is that it's a completely new design, and it's something very different from the GorillaPod. One of the things I like is that it's quite uniform, whereas the GorillaPod is quite bumpy, and to carry or to store a GorillaPod in your bag is extremely hard, whereas this one can literally slide, and its texture is quite smooth as well. Let's go ahead and let's open it up and see what does it feel in the first sense. So first of all, it's very sturdy. It looks very sturdy, it feels very sturdy, and it really feels of proper good quality. Over here we have the grip for a mobile phone. That's really been built really nicely. I'll just fit in my Samsung I have over here, and the good thing is that if you look over here, it doesn't bend, right? So that's a good thing. So it means that the grip is going to be perfect. You can mount this onto your FOTOPRO pod, I would call it that. So you can just put it on over here and you can start filming from it. But to be honest, this FOTOPod can be used for probably, I think it's good for a DSLR because of the build quality and of its strength, and the way it's so stable, so which is really good. Here we have an attachment for the GoPro. That's one of the attachments. One of this, that's I think so for the GoPro as well. Yeah, so you can basically pair this with your phone or with your camera, and you know, you can just click and it can take a photo from it. So it comes with like this. That's the strap with it, and yeah, so that's pretty much it. So the details are written over here. If you look over here, the details of that Bluetooth switch is over here. It does click to take a photograph. It's got an on-off button. You need to pair this with the Bluetooth of your phone. It could be an Android device, it could be an iPhone, or any of those devices. All you have to do is, once you've paired it, you can go ahead, and if you can just start shooting from here, as you can see, that's the button. Just have to click it and it'll take a photograph. Now let's look at the FOTO PRO itself. It's very sturdy. It really feels sturdy, and that is a good thing. So this is my phone on it. It's quite light, but I think that if you use a DSLR, you can mount it really well. I mean, there'll be no issues with it. It can really hold it, and so probably I think so DSLR will be really good for this, because this is the direct comparison of the product of the GorillaPod, I think so 1K. So yeah, so you can probably compare it with the 1K. One thing I really like is the very assuring sort of click over here. So I'm just going to zoom in and I'm going to show you the quality. So you can see the quality, the build quality is brilliant. You see, that's all rubberized, as I told you before. The feet are rubberized, and over here obviously the build quality of the plastic is quite good as well. That's nothing, that's just the design, but you see, that's quite reassuring, the clicks, which is brilliant. That's what you really want with the product. The good thing is you can even bend the legs like that. So with the GorillaPod, the problem is that you have the problem of the legs popping out. Now in this, you won't be really having that problem, because obviously it's got the rubberized tube over it, and if I just bend it and show you, so you can literally, you can bend it and you can, you know, make it of any shape, any design, and you can fit it with any of the rough areas, and you can fit it with the door, you can fit it with you know, on the rocks you can keep it, and it'll pretty much stand. That's one of the brilliant things about this product. And the good thing is that if you notice the top part of the product, it doesn't come out like the JOBY GorillaPod. The attachment from the top part, it literally, you know, it comes up to the top and then the legs can pop out. But in this, what I'm feeling that there is no issue like that. And the best thing is, once you know, you just straighten up, it's very simple to just make it straight again. I mean, not 100%, but still it can really come into its own place. I'm really gonna enjoy this product, and I'm gonna use this with my DSLR. If I would want to vlog, I can use my G7X Mark II, which is a lighter camera. Probably I can use my Canon DSLR, which I'm just filming from right now, and I can use it on this pod. But obviously I'm not really a fan of carrying a big DSLR, you know, I don't know about, but I might at some stage. But for my videos and everything, I think that this is going to be a brilliant product. So guys, this was the review for the FOTO PRO FOTOPod, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section below and I'll reply back to you. And guys, do subscribe, like and share, and really appreciate all your support. And I'll be making other videos and hopefully catch you soon, guys. See you then. Bye bye.